Hey guys, okay, gonna be replacing the blower motor on this 2012 Dodge Ram 1500. This is a super easy job, be a quick video. The blower motor is located underneath the dash right there. It's held in by three 8mm bolts, and then you have that electrical plug. So we'll get into it. Good signs that this thing's going bad, like mine. I'll turn it on here. You got whining noises when the fan's on. Sounds like that. It sounds like a bearing is going in this area here, so it's a pretty good indication, or it may not be working at all. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're up underneath here. You're just going to grab this connector. There's a tab on it. Just push it. Pull this off. And then three 8mm. Get your new one here. Mine happens to be a TYC 7000203. Get back up in there. Start your screws by hand. Here, put your connector back on, then we'll test it. There we go. No noise. That's the way it should sound. Thank you for watching.